In this video, we are solving simultaneous equations using the method of substitution. Substitution works best when one variable is already isolated or easy to isolate. Let's start with our first example. Suppose we have x plus 2y equals 9 and 5x minus 4y equals 7. Let's call the first equation equation 1. The second equation is equation 2. Since x already has a coefficient of 1 in equation 1, that makes it easy to rearrange. From equation 1, x equals 9 minus 2y. Let's call this equation 3. Now we substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So wherever we see x in equation 2, we replace it with 9 minus 2y. That gives us 5 times 9 minus 2y minus 4y equals 7. Now expand. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times negative 2y is negative 10y. So we now have 45 minus 10y minus 4y equals 7. Combine like terms. 45 minus 14y equals 7. Now subtract 45 from both sides. That gives negative 14y equals negative 38. Now divide both sides by negative 14. Y equals negative 38 over negative 14. Now divide both the top and the bottom by negative 2. Negative 38 divided by negative 2 is 19. Negative 14 divided by negative 2 is 7. So y equals 19 over 7. Now we substitute this value back into equation 3. X equals 9 minus 2 times 19 over 7. X equals 9 minus 2 times 19 over 7. 2 times 19 is 38, so we have x equals 9 minus 38 over 7. Rewrite 9 as 9 over 1. So we have 9 over 1 minus 38 over 7. To combine the fractions, multiply 9 times 7 minus 38 times 1, all over 7. That gives 63 minus 38 over 7. Now subtract. 63 minus 38 equals 25. So we get x equals 25 over 7. So the solution is x equals 25 over 7 and y equals 19 over 7. And that completes the first example. Let's try another example. Suppose we have 4x minus y equals 11 and 7x plus 2y equals 8. Let's call the first equation equation 1. The second equation is equation 2. This time it is easiest to isolate y from equation 1. Equation 1 is 4x minus y equals 11. To isolate y, move 4x to the right side. Negative y equals negative 4x plus 11. Now divide both sides by negative 1. Y equals 4x minus 11. Let's call this equation 3. Now we substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So wherever we see y in equation 2, we replace it with 4x minus 11. That gives 7x plus 2 times 4x minus 11 equals 8. Now distribute. 7x plus 8x minus 22 equals 8. Combine like terms. 15x minus 22 equals 8. Add 22 to both sides. 15x equals 30. Divide both sides by 15. X equals 2. Now we substitute this value back into equation 3. Y equals 4 times 2 minus 11. 4 times 2 is 8, so we have y equals 8 minus 11. That gives y equals negative 3. So the solution is x equals 2 and y equals negative 3. And that completes the example. If this helped you understand substitution clearly, you are in the right place. Algebra and Geometry Explained.